Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I told you guys I was gonna take you guys along when I was fixing my rental property. I made a video of it the last time and it was being painted. So right now the painting work is completely done. This house is like basically ready to go. So I just need to change the tiles, which are pretty dirty. So I and my contractor just want to get more supplies we basically want to go get tires for the floor, so that is covered. So the whole place is painted, if you guys can see from the last video that I shot here. So everything is completely painted and this is ready to go. Basically this house is ready to go. So the next one I will be going to would be the one on a different project. So I'll be taking you guys along to that one. You guys can see, I wish I have someone that could help me film, but I don't have anyone, so I just have to make do with what I have. We still have a lot of stuff in here that we need to clean up and take away, and we'll be ready to go. So yeah, I hope you guys like this very short video, and I might be filming another one when it's completely done and cleaned up and the floor is completely cleaned up. I'm really excited with how it looks right now. It's done basically. So yeah, I hope you guys like this very short update. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comments down below. If you guys want me to take you to more of my rental properties, I'll be more than happy to do that, which I will be doing that. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.